Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see, we have started with the modeling of this particular JCB over here. So we'll continue it. So now very first of all, what I'll be doing over here is like I'll be assigning one loop over here, one over here and one on the top. So after that, I'll just select this element over here and I'll just delete it. So before deleting it, what I can do is like I can slightly give a bit of inset. That's it, and I'll delete it. So there are many ways what you can utilize this stuff. So we can just make this as a glass also if required. We can slightly just push this inside in this way. Select this, again insert it, slightly extrude it, push it inside. So this is going to be a whole frame over here. So let's again insert it and let's extrude it inside. Let's click OK. So the same way, so over here we'll be creating this door over here. So slightly again insert this in this way. Select this part. So I'll go over here, I'll take some other image where we can find the front part. Now till here, let's again slightly give inset over here. So I'll just minimize this part, and if you want, I can just delete this area. Select this, we'll keep this as a glass. Select this. So I'll go over here, I'll go into the front view and slightly just adjust it. So we'll just make this straight if possible. We'll try to make this more straighter. So we'll just go to the top view over here and let's just take a line tool. So I'll just assign extrude a bit over here. So let's just zoom this. Let's go over here. Let's take a box over here. Convert to editable poly. Select this. Select the edges. Push this over here in this way. Put one loop over here, put one loop over here, put one loop over here. Select this. And let's just bridge it in this way. Go over here. Let's take a cylinder. Alright. So over here, if you see, I can slightly just shuffle this a bit inside. Can slightly shuffle this a bit inside over here. So I'm just trying to adjust this and make this a bit more straighter, so that could be easy to adjust this. So select this, just push it over here. And let's just duplicate it down. So we can just duplicate this stuff in this way. So if you see this, we can place it accordingly. Push this a bit out, slightly rotate it. Now again go into this, convert to editable spline, and let's give a bit of fillet. So let's just assign a fillet and let's give an extrude modifier. Reduce this. Convert to editable poly. slightly insert it. You can insert it more. Extrude it a bit inside. So let's just end isolate this. So I'll slightly just push this out over here, and I'll just place it in this way over here. So select this, slightly just make this more straighter and push this more down. So select this part and this part, push it up over here. So let's go into this view, and I'll slightly just rotate it. So select this part and this part. I'll just assign a bit of glass to it. So let's go into the standard. Take a V-Ray material and let's give refract and assign it. And let's end isolate this stuff. So we can just give a bit of a glass to it for this. The same way, select this polygons, select the polygons, and let's assign this again. So select this, slightly give inset and give extrude. Go into the material, so you can just give this property to it. So again select this, give inset and slide extrude, and let's delete this stuff. So you can just select this whole thing over here, and let's mirror it in y-axis and push it in this way. Select this part, select this whole thing, slightly give inset. So again we can just push this over here. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. We'll be assigning a glass over here also. So let's just assign a glass. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.